Alright, check it out. In this video I'm going to be going over the process of how I like to make my sticker packs up. Hopefully this will be a quick tutorial on the ins and outs of what I like to include in my sticker packs, how to go about trading, and a little bit about the sticker submission service that I ran in the most recent video where I did the huge sticker combo here. I've got some pre-made packs up here that I made almost a year ago now, so I thought it'd be a cool feature to show off what I like to include in some of my packs, and then go from there and fill up a few other packs that I owe to send out for sticker submissions. For starters, I like to use the kind of 6x9 envelopes here. It allows you to get some definitely sizable stickers in the pack without having to fold them. Normal envelopes, would fit most of these stickers just fine, but pretty much cost the same to ship this size as long as it's flat. Basically, they'll put these through a little kind of feed, and as long as it isn't, I think, thicker than 1/4 of an inch, it'll pass through, and as long as it stays flexible, you can send it as a letter as well, so it's not too much more expensive than a normal envelope. These are some decal stickers I always like to include. Some single colors here, some of those mixed colors that were the basis of this pack. Got 5 or 6 layers on this one, got a few layers on this guy, and these are all the transfer tape ones too, so peel those off, stick them down, then the clear actually comes off, so that will just leave the sticker material on there. And those are probably the most timely and highest quality stickers I like to include. Those vinyls, those will last on any surface. I actually did bring my water bottle over here. See, it's got plenty of wear on there. Got some other vinyls there. This guy had some skinny sections that are peeling up, but yeah, definitely the vinyls are all-purpose, really durable. Like to include some of those. Then some cheap printouts, just quick thermals here. Got some piece designs, another one of those cursive ones. Got the orbit on the pink. These could go up and last a pretty long time, or they could, go into a black book, and I wouldn't care all the same. There you have a little mix pack of my work. And then I also like to include within those packs a maybe a set of stickers that also has assorted artists in it, much like the sticker submission stuff. So we'll go through and kind of piece together what an assorted sticker pack would be. And I definitely always like to include that, so I get the chance to spread around a ton of different artists. So similar to sharing one from everybody here, I would pick 4 or 5 artists and share some of their work in the mix. So I definitely have plenty of stickers laying around, just leftovers and kind of stocked up from previous sticker submissions. And I'll basically go through, grab a handful, and then start laying some down. So until I get to a new artist, basically, I'll lay down a few stickers. See, we got a nice mix of them already. And then I'll basically go through and pick a few of these. So I'll try to do some larger scale ones, maybe some medium size, as well as a variety of prints versus hand-drawns. So we got a few hand-drawns in there, so maybe switch it to a print, flip through. And this also helps to kind of shuffle things a little. Also like to include blanks when I can. These are some that were sent in with sticker submissions, but I'll normally throw 1 or 2 just of my blank thermals in there as well. Some knocks in on top. Looks like we got a collab here. Could be cool to pass along. Just a larger format one, not so much a collab. So that feels pretty good. This is probably about 20 stickers already, and that'll be my mix pack of other artists that I like to send along. So we can take that, add it to my sticker pack. And now we've got somewhat of a hefty size. It's definitely more than, I'd say, 30 stickers in this pack. But as long as the envelope, isn't aggressively thick and you can kind of still bend it, normally this is fine to ship first class, so that'll only cost anywhere from 75 cents maybe to $1.50 to send it in this size. And honestly, there's a lot of art in here at this point, so that'll be an awesome set for the next person to grab some. So once you got your stickers all ready to go, you can then address it out. So you can do the name of wherever you're sending it, so who's going to be receiving it there, and then you can do your address number and then the street. Then you'll do your town, comma, your state, just the abbreviations normally fine, and then your zip code. That'll be everything you need to get it addressed off. You can either put 2 or 3 stamps up top. Like I said, 2 stamps is a minimum for a size like this. 3 stamps is normally a safe bet that you won't have to put any more stamps on it, as long as you can still do the bend test. And then much like I like to do with my sticker submission service, when people send me packs in, I also ask them to send a self-addressed stamped envelope. It also is kind of like a return pack or an SASE. So basically what that means is put an empty envelope inside of the pack, and that way when you send it into the sticker trade service, or you send it away to the next person, they have an envelope to actually pack it in. Now if you're just normally doing a one-to-one trade with somebody else, normally both people just pack their own stickers and send them along. But with trade services, this makes it really easy, so I'll have the name, street, and address where I'll send the pack back to. So it's really straightforward. Just always be sure to double check to exchange the information with the other artist you're trying to trade with, or double check the P.O. box in this case where you might send the sticker submissions into. And that way you know it's got a really nice chance at making it safely over there. If you're curious or you're hesitant that the package might be a little bit thick, you can always just take this into the post office and have them weigh it. Tell them you're sending some artwork around, and that way they can get you the exact postage cost. So if this comes in at $1.20, you don't overspend by putting 3 stamps on there. That's really helpful too if you're sending internationally. Definitely recommend getting them to weigh it out and charge you exact, just because it's a real big hassle when you put 2 stamps on and it has to be returned to you because you didn't put enough postage on it, and you just got to start all over by throwing another stamp on there and delaying things. Now this wasn't so specific to sticker submissions, but I do a kind of sticker series here on YouTube where I have my P.O. box wide open for people to send stickers to, and basically I'll mix and mash them into a little project that month, or just review them kind of in an open flip through, and then send those mix packs back out. So if you're interested in getting kind of an assorted set of stickers, and you maybe make some of your own stickers and want to send some in to get featured on something like a street sign project, be sure to check out the description of the video. I'll have my P.O. box down there, and you can follow the same tutorial. Pack your stickers up and pack a self-addressed stamped envelope to get your return pack in there. Put a stamp or 2 on here for me, and just put that inside with all your stickers and ship it on over to the P.O. box. I'll be able to then open it up, review it a little bit, feature it in hopefully a future project, as well as then return some cool stickers from all the other artists that send in. You can see I've got a hefty background there of tons of different artists that maybe these were 6 months or so ago in a time frame. And honestly, it's really fun to be able to interact with everybody, show and tell all the stickers, and get to trading as well, because I don't have the opportunity to do so many one-on-one trades. This is an awesome way for me to send 4 or 5 of my stickers out to a bunch of different people as well. One last thing I will note is tons of people are open to sticker trading, so whether you reach out on Instagram or in the comment section on YouTube, try to just link up with people that you might want to do some one-on-one trades with, where you can pack 10 or 12 of your own stickers, maybe trade in some other ones that other people gave you, and kind of just share the art and collaborate through the means of some cool little stickers between some artists. So by all means, if you're interested in trading just openly one-on-one with other artists, leave a comment down below. That'll be a great area for you guys to kind of link up, trade some Instagram names, maybe DM each other from there, and trade addresses to start sending sticker packs one-on-one, because the sticker trade services are great, but I definitely do love sending 10 of my stickers and getting 10 of someone else's in return. My biggest suggestion there is don't get discouraged if somebody's saying they don't want to trade with you because your skill level's not up to par. Honestly, find some people that are similar skill level or a little bit better, and I'm sure plenty of people will be open to trade. Don't get so hung up if you can't get a trade lined up with somebody immediately. Lots of people go in and out of trading phases, much like myself, so it is what it is. Maybe catch somebody on a good wind and they'll hook you up with some really sweet stickers in exchange for some of your sweet stickers. So by all means, it's an open conversation and a huge collaborative community. So I've seen tons of stickers pass my hands, and I've seen tons of stickers pass other people's hands, so it's always fun to share your own artwork in exchange for somebody else's. If you have any questions about the process, or you are open to trading, leave a comment down below and people might be able to hit you up and get some packs moving, get your stickers spread around the world, and maybe even get some ups out of it. Enjoy the rest of the videos on the channel, and be on the lookout for some future sticker projects. Peace, guys.